I want to give some additional tips about VB Modal. Note that if you have multiple forms, for example, I create a second form. I click my first form and let's say user form 2.show. Okay, by default, of course, it is model, so cannot interact with that. How about I go to the second form and set the show model to false, to be modeless. If I run my first form and click on that, you will see gives error. Can show non-model form when model form is displayed. So you have to set both form, in this case as none, to be modeless. Now I could bring it and interact between two forms. And note that if I select my second form and set the model true, you can actually run this, so it is not applying the opposite way. So you could make the second one as a model and first one modelless. Then this is something like message box or input box. You cannot interact with your form unless close it and work with that. Also, allow me to remove my second form. No. And remove this commands. And I want to make again selection text bold. So let's say selection dot font dot bold equal true. Okay, but how can I make it with code the same form? Of course, you cannot call itself by its own. For example, I cannot go to the user form, initialize, and call its form because I'm inside of user form 1. If I say user form 1.show and VB modeless, if I run, it is modeless. But how can I now button to make it modal? Let's create a model. Allow me to click a button and I say user form 1.show and VB model. Let's run the form. Of course, it has interaction. But if I click on that, you will see it is already displaying, so you cannot show. And of course, you cannot use something like that. So the most simple method in this case is first hide the form and recall it. So I say me.hide. And instead of user form, of course, I could say me.show, this time modal. Okay. Now, one time you see, quickly gonna hide it and reform it, and now you cannot interact with your Word document. I hope you get not confused. So for multiple forms, your first form is calling the second form has to be set modal to false. And if you want to change the modal mode by command on the running code, first make it hide and re-show the form with the model section as you want, like model or modelless.